He repaired an elderly woman's car for free and was fired. But days later, he discovered who she really was when Daniel, a young mechanic struggling to survive paycheck to paycheck, noticed an old, dusty sedan breaking down outside the auto repair shop where he worked. And before his manager could stop him, Daniel rushed out to help the elderly woman who looked scared and helpless, her hands shaking as she explained she had no money and was on her way to a hospital appointment. Seeing her fear reminded Daniel of his late grandmother, so he fixed the problem quickly. Replacing a worn belt using spare parts and refusing to take a single dollar, telling her kindness mattered more than money, but his boss saw everything and exploded in anger, accusing Daniel of wasting company resources and setting a bad example, firing him on the spot despite Daniel's apologies, leaving Daniel jobless and ashamed, wondering if doing the right thing was worth the cost. Days later, while searching for work, Daniel received a phone call from an unknown number inviting him to a meeting at a corporate office. Confused but desperate, he went there only to be shocked when the elderly woman from the roadside walked in, now dressed elegantly and surrounded by assistants, revealing she was the owner of a massive automotive supply company and had been testing local repair shops anonymously to find honest workers. She explained that Daniel's kindness and integrity were rare and invaluable, admitting she had pretended to be poor to see, who would help without expecting anything in return. She offered Daniel not only a job, but a leadership role with a salary higher than he had ever imagined. Along with benefits and training, Daniel stood speechless as tears filled his eyes, realizing that his moment of compassion had changed his life forever. The woman smiled and told him that skills could be taught, but character could not, and that the world rewards those who choose kindness even when it costs them everything. Daniel accepted the offer, determined to treat others the same way he had treated her that day on the roadside, proving that true success comes from doing what is right even when no one is watching. If this story touched your heart, then please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Kindness Voice, to support more inspiring stories like this.